handling. Must be 18 or older to order. Each sold separately.
Shimmer and shine, Pinkie Pals divine. I'm so excited.
The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, north-central Lexington County in central South Carolina, northwestern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a likely severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Irmo, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. The storm has had some indications of a tornado, but not quite enough for a tornado warning. Remember, severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with little advance warning. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Irmo, Oak Grove, St. Andrews, Blitherwood, Chapin, Peak, Seven Oaks, and Lake Murray of Richland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 126 between mile marker 0 and 1. Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 58 and 69. Interstate 26 between mile markers 89 and 110. Interstate 77 between mile markers 22 and 31.
Limits. They're always ready for action.
Come in, team. It's go time.
They are girls. And when they join forces with Nick Jr.'s high-tech heroes,
On my way.